your sympathy, and this is my apology. I'm killing myself from the inside out, and all my fears have pushed you out. And I wished for things that I don't need. All I wanted, and what I chase won't set me free. It's all I wanted, and I get scared, but I'm not crawling on my knees. Oh, and yeah, everything's all wrong, yeah. Everything's all wrong, yeah. Where the hell did I think I was? And stranger than your sympathy, I take these things so I don't feel. I'm killing myself from the inside out, and now my head's been filled with doubt. And it's hard to lead the life you choose. All I wanted, when all your luck's run out on you. All I wanted, and you can't see when all your dreams are coming true. Oh yeah, it's easy to forget, yeah, and you choke on the regrets, yeah. Who the hell did I think I was? And stranger than your sympathy, and all these thoughts you stole from me, and I'm not sure where I belong. Nowhere's home and I'm all wrong. And I wasn't all the things I tried to make believe I was. And I wouldn't be the one to kneel before the dreams I wanted. No,